Stone-floored, turbo-deck ovens can be manufactured to feature baking areas of 8, 10, 15, or 18 square meters. They can be loaded conveniently using the pallet equipment. Gas, diesel, electricity, and wood can be used as fuel. Designed to be operated for extended periods, these ovens are equipped with materials rated at European standards. With storage-type flour sifting machines, sifted flour is conveyed to dough kneading machines via a spiral transmission system. Different types of flour are mixed in sifting machines, whereas the mixture is purified as it is passed through filters. The quantities of water and flour are adjusted in the water and flour dosing units, then transferred from there to the spiral mixer hopper. Twin-speed mixer is programmed according to the requested kneading time, whereas depending on the type of dough, it's kneaded for approximately 20 minutes. The machine stops automatically once the kneading process finishes and it's ready to be discharged. The batch of kneaded dough is transferred to the volumetric dough cutter by the hydraulic lifting units. The spiral mixer is ready to knead the next batch of dough. As it is understood from its name, the volumetric dough cutting machine is used for dividing dough to the requested weight being produced with a single or twin piston, depending on the capacity of the bakery where it is used. After being cut by the vacuuming system without crushing, batches of cut dough are transferred to the dough rounding machine via a conveyor belt, which places it in front of the machine. Comprised of channels placed around an aluminum cone, this machine is used to give a round shape to the dough that comes from the volumetric dough cutter. Rounded dough is ready for the next shaping process. The dough is then conveyed to the entrance of the intermediate proofing machine. This is used to settle and add volume to the dough before giving it its final shape. The other function of this machine is to act as a bridge between the long shaper and rounding machines and to support the hands-free production. This is used to give round-shaped dough coming from the intermediate proofer its long shape. Thanks to its adjustable cylinders and pressure cushions, it can shape dough of different weights. After the long shaping process, dough is lined up on trays, pallets, or molds, depending on the oven. Upon request, this may be done with automated machines. Dough placed on pallets is brought to the fermentation compartment before its final stop, the oven. This room is climatized with steam air conditioning units, bringing about the right conditions for the dough to expand. Pallets of dough emerging from the fermentation cabinet are placed onto a pallet loading machine, where it will be separated from the pallets. Dough moving towards the front loading unit awaits its turn to be loaded onto the first deck and emptied into the ovens. The automated loading unit loads the dough to the first oven deck, whereupon the computerized system steams the freshly loaded deck. The entire system is automatically controlled. Dough that has completed its baking time is unloaded by means of the same loading unit and transferred to the cooling belt or bread exit belt. Bread quality is high and fuel consumption is low when the stone-floored tubular ovens are used in the system. The number of ovens can be increased and production facilities with different capacities can be set up. Depending on the weight of the bread, one loading unit can operate with 4 ovens. Stainless steel rotary ovens are equipped with a dual-channel air-blowing system for balanced baking. Thanks to double insulation and glass application, heat loss is kept at a minimum and fuel consumption is diminished considerably. Steam is produced by means of water channels situated right in front of the combustion chamber. Stainless spring steel is used instead of silicone door gaskets, which leads to low maintenance and spare parts costs. Safety measures incorporated include a second thermometer and a door handle which can be opened from the inside. Stone-floored, turbo-deck ovens can be manufactured to feature baking areas of 8, 10, 15, or 18 square meters. They can be loaded conveniently using the pallet equipment. Gas, diesel, electricity, and wood can be used as fuel. Designed to be operated for extended periods, these ovens are equipped with materials rated at European standards.